The best cube storage organizers. Clutter and mess in a cabinet can make your life very difficult. However, cube storage can help you unclutter the mess. The best cube storage helps you organize your belongings, store them neatly, and find things quickly when you need them. The cube organizers, unlike traditional furniture, are light and can be folded into little packages when not being used, making them convenient and portable. Display units, shoe shelves, and wardrobe storage units are all possible uses for these cubes. In this video, we've compiled a list of the best cube storage organizers to help you store your belongings. Number 1. Amazon Basics Foldable Storage Cubes. The fabric storage cubes from Amazon Basics are highly popular, owing to their lightweight and collapsible nature. They measure 11 by 10.5 by 10.5 inches and are made of high-quality fabric, suitable to store your favorite clothes and linens. The storage cubes are open-top bins that come in a pack of 6. What we like: sewn-in handles to act as drawers, breathable and reinforced material, portable, available in various colors. What we don't like: may be smaller than expected, may not be suitable for storing sweaters and knit tops. Number 2. TomCare 12 Cube Closet Organizer. The closet organizer from TomCare comes with 12 linkable cubes made of high-quality PP plastic, with ABS connectors to provide durability. The modular design lets you assemble the cubes the way you prefer, standing straight or spreading horizontally from top, bottom, or sideways. Each cube has a dimension of 12 by 12 by 12 inches and can be used individually too. What we like: shiny panel surfaces offer a premium look and feel. Adjustable design, multi-purpose, available in various colors. What we don't like: may not have a high weight capacity, may have a peculiar smell. Number 3. Sorbus Foldable Storage Bin. The multicolored storage bins from Sorbus can be the right pick when you want a color-coded organization for your belongings. Each cube measures 11 by 11 by 11 inches in dimension and is made of lightweight fabric with a sturdy cardboard base. These cubes are suitable for storing kids' toys, clothing, linens, office supplies, and other household stuff. What we like: collapsible design, easy grip handles, easy to stack, durable construction. What we don't like: does not come with lids, may not hold the shape well. Number 4. Kousi Portable Cube Organizer. The premium-looking Kousi Cube Organizer can be a perfect addition to complement contemporary decor. Use the 12 attachable storage cubes as display shelves or storage organizers, stacking them together or as separate units. It has a floral theme decoration pattern across the entire surface, making the organizer look appealing. What we like: doors help prevent dust and dirt, base supported by steel net panel for stability, textured plastic with a design layout on the sides, hassle-free installation. What we don't like: doors might not stay closed, may be challenging to move after assembly. Number 5. Purom Cube Organizer. Customize the modular cubes the way you like with these storage units made of eco-friendly PP plastic sheets with ABS connectors. You can use them all together or as separate cubes. The whole unit is easy to assemble and includes a wooden hammer to avoid warping components. Each cube measures 11.8 by 11.8 by 11.8 inches. What we like: each cube can withstand 15 pounds, easy to clean, versatile usage, waterproof and rust-free. What we don't like: plastic may not be stiff enough, may be small for some. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.